Good Sunday to you and happy Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully everyone was able to stay dry out there after that storm came through this evening here in Tuscaloosa. Here's a time lapse of it. You can see how quickly it came through and also some dust back there getting blown around. Winds up to 35 miles an hour at times, even greater with wind gusts. So really was a hefty storm that did push through and at least provided us with some rain. And actually also provided us with cooler temperatures. Our high today was around 90 degrees. Very warm, at least hot actually, and our temperature is now in the upper 60s, so it's cooled off fairly quickly, at least a big 30-degree difference out there. Our winds now coming out of the northeast at 6 miles an hour. We're still seeing a few clouds out there. You can't see right now, of course, because it's nighttime, but still, we're still seeing at least some cloudy conditions on the satellite, which is going to help us at least stay cool tonight. Now, temperatures across much of the state. Notice how a lot of us are in the 60s, and maybe some areas that didn't receive any rain today staying in the 70s. But again, most of us are going to see a pretty comfortable night out there. Maybe one of those nights you can raise up the windows, put a box fan in the window, and at least cool off out there. Rain chances over the next 5 days. Looks like we're going to at least keep on to the low chance, at least the low side of it, pretty much every day. It looks like a summertime pattern is coming in for us with the greatest chances again, with more moisture being able to tap in on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But again, that's going to be a hit or miss pop-up storm. Just depends on where you are in the state. Now, it looks like we do have hot temperatures coming in for your Memorial Day in the lower 90s. One of the days you can at least go out and go for a swim. You know, it doesn't have to be an in-ground pool, but maybe you can at least figure something out. At least just make sure you have at least a fan handy or maybe some water handy if you're going out barbecuing or sitting outside, because we're going to see some pretty warm and hot temperatures. Maybe a few pop-up storms too. Can't rule those out. So it looks like tonight, though, we're going to start to cool down a little bit in the upper 60s. Some of us even a little lower, depending on if you saw that rain or not. But again, a fairly comfortable night out there. We'll see at least temperatures start to warm back up again for tomorrow and Sunday. Look at Memorial Day. See how we're going to be in the upper 80s. A few scattered storms again. Those storms are able to tap into some more moisture than it is this weekend by next week, with rain chances and pop-up storm chance at least staying with us over the next 7 days. Notice those temperatures too staying fairly warm. Looks like a summertime forecast. Hope everyone has a great Memorial Day weekend and a great Memorial Day. Stay warm or stay cool, and at least watch out for some of those showers and storms.